Hi, welcome to video number 2. The very first thing I'm going to say is you need to obtain value. Okay. Now I've already told you that the big money is in building an email list, okay, and creating and selling your own products. You probably know that. So many people have probably told you that. However, there's a lot that needs to happen and take place before you get to that stage, as I briefly mentioned in video number 1. So the very first thing you need to think about before you even think about building a list, forget about building a list at this stage, for the moment. Forget about building a list and forget about creating a product. The very first thing you need to focus on is you need to obtain value, because if you don't have any value, then you cannot do anything at all. You need to obtain value. Now when I say value, it needs to be something that that you can use to not only make money yourself, but you can leverage that in order to make money when other people pay you. Okay, other people are prepared to pay you for that information. Okay, and this is information marketing online. You have information, you have knowledge, and you have experience about some kind of a topic, so your customer is prepared to actually pay you for your knowledge, okay, for your value. And this is how it works. So what you need to do is you need to learn everything you can about a certain or particular topic. So you need to go out there and you need to become an expert, and don't take any shortcuts. I'll say that again. You need to learn everything you can about a certain topic or a particular topic, and then become an expert on that topic, okay, and don't take any shortcuts. Now when I say that, it can be in any niche, it can be in any market. It doesn't matter what market. The internet marketing niche is obviously a good market, a good niche to get into. It could be the fitness industry, it could be the finance industry, whatever it is, the same rules apply. You need to obtain value in that area, in that topic, and you need to become an expert on your chosen topic or in your chosen field. Now what I'm going to do is give you an example on why you need to do this in a different industry. Okay, so say if you're looking around online and you're looking for some weight loss information, okay, you're looking to lose a little bit of weight, because let's face it, this is a very, very popular topic. Lots of people every day want to go online, or they do go online and they want to find out how to lose some weight. It could be to tone up, it could be to lose belly fat, whatever it is. If you went online and you wanted to learn how to lose weight effectively and quickly and all of that, okay, and you ended up going to a website, just think of the reasons why you would actually purchase the course from a particular website or a particular person on YouTube. If you ended up going to a website and you found out that there was some guy or some woman, and they had a website and they were selling this really cool ebook or this really good video course about how you lose weight, how you could lose 15 pounds in 5 weeks by doing XYZ. Why would you want to actually buy that course from them? You've got to think of the reason why, and the reason why is because you look at them as an authority figure. You look at them based on what they are like. If they come across and they have lots of things to offer you, lots of value to offer you, then you're going to feel like buying their course. Okay, if they're in really good shape themselves, if you see a picture of them and you think, what, I would love to look like that, that's like my ideal kind of physique, or or you feel a lot more confident learning from somebody that's in really good shape, because you've got more confidence the fact that it's going to work. If you went to a website, for instance, and the person that you was going to learn off was really overweight, they were out of shape, and they looked really unhealthy, you wouldn't buy from them, would you? And it's exactly the same in the internet marketing niche. In the weight loss niche, why on earth would you want to learn from somebody how to lose weight if they're overweight themselves? If they're overweight, unhealthy, and they're really out of shape, okay, you wouldn't, would you? So it's the same in the internet marketing niche. You would never ever want to learn from somebody that doesn't know how to do it themselves. Okay, you only want to learn from somebody that can give you value, okay, and you feel really confident that this person can help you. If you go to a blog and somebody has only been online for 6 weeks, and they try telling you how to do this, how to do that, like to make money and all of this, the chances are you're not really going to take them very seriously, because you're not going to feel very confident in the fact that they can teach you what you need to know, because they've been online 6 weeks, they've got no experience, and they don't really know how the industry works. And it's the same. Yeah, you have to think of it like that. You have to put yourself in the shoes of a customer, okay? And I've used the weight loss example just so you can kind of see how it works. Yeah, you wouldn't want to buy a weight loss video course from somebody that's overweight, would you? So it's the same in the internet marketing niche, and you have to be that person. You have to be the person that has value and has information to sell which is of value. Okay, you have to be the expert in that industry, in that niche. It doesn't have to be in the entire market. It doesn't have to be the expert in fitness. It could be a tiny small niche. It could be yoga. It could be it could be how to lose belly fat. That's just in the weight loss industry. In the internet marketing niche, it could be list building. It could be how to build niche sites. It could be how to create really good articles. It could be how to write decent copy. Yeah, so it goes back to what I was saying earlier. You need to become an expert and don't take any shortcuts. So, and this happens before you even think about building a list. This is what a lot of people don't tell you about. All this happens before you even think about building a list. Yeah, building a list right now is the last thing that you need to do, because there's so much stuff you need to do before you get to that stage. Otherwise it won't work. And this is the problem that a lot of newbies and a lot of beginners make, is that they come straight into the internet marketing niche. Yeah, they want to make money, they want to do this, do that, do this, and they build a list, but they don't get anywhere because they've got no value to give. Okay, you have to think about the process, and you have to do a little bit of work up front. If you're not prepared to do that, I'm sorry to say, but you are never going to make it online. Okay, maybe a lot of people don't really tell you that in videos and courses, but I want to be honest. If you're not prepared to do a little bit of work and learn about a topic, so you can at least then sell information on that topic as an expert, okay, or as a very experienced person, then if you're not prepared to do that, then you are not going to make it as an information marketer online. Yeah, you're just not going to make it, because you need some information, you need some value to give people in order for you to get anywhere. Now, that being said, while you become an expert, while you learn all this stuff, yeah, while you learn everything you can about a certain topic, and you become an expert, yeah, and you don't take any shortcuts, you of course want to make money. Yeah, because it's alright you spending a year, 2 years learning stuff, but it's no good you learning stuff if you're not making money. So again, it's like a catch-22 situation. Yeah, you need to learn all of this new stuff. You need to learn things so you can create value, and you have value to give away to people, so you can sell that information. At the same time, you need to be making money. Yeah, I understand that because I've been there, and this is what you need to do. You can make money, yeah, by using particular income methods at the same time as becoming an expert in your chosen topic. And this applies to the internet marketing niche. If you're trying to get into the weight loss niche, okay, or the weight loss market, yeah, and you want to sell information about weight loss, about fitness, about yoga, anything like that, then what you need to do is learn everything you can on those topics, okay, and you have to brand yourself as an expert in that niche. Yeah, the internet marketing niche is slightly different. If you want to become successful in the internet marketing niche, and you want to build a list, okay, and sell products in the internet marketing niche, what you need to do is you of course need to get you need to of course become an expert, like I've said, but you need to make money at the same time by working on an actual income method, okay, because there's two different types or two different ways that you can make money in the internet marketing niche generally, okay. One of them is by building a list and selling your own products. You already know you can't do that because you need some information, some value at the start before you can do that. The other way to make money is by using what I call income methods, okay, and this is by using certain strategies, certain methods and techniques which actually generates you an income, okay, makes you money every single day. Now, I'm not going to go into the actual income models in this video because we're going to go over those in the next video, but this is what you need to focus on, and this is the building block to you selling products and building a list, okay, further down the road. If you don't ever want to build a list and sell your own products, that's entirely up to you, okay. You can still get tons and tons of benefits, yeah, and you can still take tons away from the stuff I'm going to teach you about the income models. But my advice is to learn about the income models, okay, and then you'll see how we go from the income model stage to building a list and creating products, okay, but we'll cover that in a different video. So in the next video what we're going to do is cover income models, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to generate value in your industry, so you become an expert, and at the same time you can make money by using some of these income models, okay, and you generate value by learning how to use these income models. So I'm not going to go too much more into that. We'll cover all of the income model stuff in the next video. So I hope this video makes sense. You basically need to obtain value, learn everything you can about a certain topic, and then become an expert. I've given you the weight loss example, so you only really want to buy from people that know what they're talking about, yeah, that have experience and all that. You don't want to buy from anybody that's a complete failure online, okay, that's making no money, because there's no value, and you don't want to pay somebody that has no value to give you. And you can make money by using certain income models, and at the same time you can become an expert on that particular topic because you're learning it, yeah, and if you're making money by using that particular income model, then you have tons of value to give away to others, and you can sell that information. So that's it for video number 2. I will see you in the next video, which will be video number 3.